नमस्ते, जय हिंद। ये है द आवारा मुसाफिर शो क्लिप्स।
Okay.
We need to learn our lessons, and the first lesson, most important, like I said earlier, is don't try to be a China. Be a better Bharat. I always use the word Bharat.
Right.
Why? This land was always called Bharat. जब मुसलमान आए इन्होंने इसको हिंदुस्तान बोला. When the British came, they named it India.
Yeah.
That these are not my name. Hindu was a term coined from the Indus River because the Greeks did not have the term Sindhu.
Right.
So from the Indus it became Indus. So from the Indus, people living across that became the Hindus. Not a religion. All people of all religion and all dispensation were called Hindus. Britishers from Indus, it became Indus. And so all this land across became India. Based from that, India. But apna original name has always been Bharat, Bharatvarsh, Bharat Mata.
विष्णु पुराण में भी तो लिखा है ना.
Yeah.
There's this श्लोक.
Yeah, it's Bharat. जब आप तर्पण करने जाते हो या कुछ भी करते हो तो आप कहते हो ना भारतवर्षे सो एंड सो खंडे सो एंड सो दिस, वो सारा भारतवर्षे से शुरू होता. भारत इज व्हेन यू प्राउडली स्टैंड अप एंड से आई एम अ सनातन धर्मी. दैट इज भारत एंड दैट इज द भारत विच इज राइजिंग टुडे. इसीलिए जो हम कई बोलते हैं, जैसे एक अनवर अल सदात का किताब था इन सर्च ऑफ आइडेंटिटी. हम भी पाकिस्तानियों को बोलते हैं दे आर इन सर्च ऑफ आइडेंटिटी. दे आर बिकॉज दे डोंट नो हिस्ट्री कहाँ से लेके आए, किसके साथ जोड़ें. विच डजंट मैच विद वॉट आर्कियोलॉजिकल फाइंडिंग्स आर ऑन ग्राउंड. बट साइकोलॉजिकली डू वी नो आवर आइडेंटिटी? आर यू भारतीय? आर यू हिंदू, हिंदुस्तानी? आर यू इंडियन? आप कौन हो? इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. आप विदेश में जब भी जाते हो, कोई आपसे पूछता है आप कहाँ से हो, मैं पंजाब से हूँ. पंजाब इज नॉट अ कंट्री. ही इज आस्क्ड यू फ्रॉम विच कंट्री यू केम फ्रॉम. डू यू फाइंड एनी अमेरिकन or any Chinese or anybody when you ask, he will openly say, I am from Japan, I am from China, I am from America. When you ask where from America, then he will tell. लेकिन हमारे बंदे तो सर मैं गुजराती हूँ, मैं पंजाबी हूँ, मैं सिंधी हूँ. Because you psychologically and mentally are in search of an identity. You lost your identity of Bharat.
And subnationalism has become a trend now.
Because you don't realize that you are Bharat. भारतीय. तो वो दोबारा से अब रिवाइव हो रहा है. तो मेरा कहना है कि जो हिंदुस्तानी है, जो इंडियन है, उनको दर्द हो रहा है. उनको दर्द हो रहा है कि भाई ये भारत राइज कर रहा है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई टॉक ऑफ राइज ऑफ भारत, नॉट राइज ऑफ इंडिया. बिकॉज इंडिया, दिस इज व्हाट आई फील is India or Hindustan is a colonial mindset.
Right.
Because बाहर से आए थे आप पे राज करने के लिए. उन्होंने आपको हिंदुस्तान बोला. कोर्ट लैंग्वेज was either Persian और तुर्किक. ओके. उन्हीं में से निकल के आपने अपना लोकल लैंग्वेज उर्दू बनाया. ओके. And then the Britishers came and the court language became English.
Right.
जिसके you have become slaves. कि अगर किसी को अंग्रेजी ठीक से नहीं आती है, ये जो इंडियंस हैं, they look down on him.
Correct.
क्यों? अब नेहरू जी ने बोला था नहीं, this connects the nations. Have the Chinese learnt English? Do they speak in English? How come the world learns Mandarin and goes to connect with them?
Right.
So my reasoning is always to connect everybody. Hindi is not the national language. Sanskrit. When you make Sanskrit the national language, it will take time. You have to revive that language. You have to convert your books. Except for Tamil, which is not based on Sanskrit, though it is corrupted now with a lot of Sanskrit words. Classical Tamil is not. All other languages and dialects of India have come from Sanskrit.
Sanskrit, right.
And the reason I tell Sanskrit is you will go back to your Sanskriti, you'll go back to your scriptures, and you'll understand your scriptures better, and you'll be able to live better, because that taught you a way of life. None of the others teach you a way of life.
But so this is the point, right? Like आपने बोला कि English is not that important, but we are having this conversation in English, and that is the
क्योंकि
sole
हमें यही
problem.
सिखाया गया है.
Right, that is the whole problem.
That is the whole problem. That is what I want. I'm saying you break. And not Hindi. Hindi is not the pan-India language. Sorry. And this has happened after Mahabharata and about 2000 years. About 1,000 years after Mahabharata. West calls it the Indus Valley civilization. It's the Saraswati Valley civilization.
Right.
But it suddenly disappeared about 2000 years ago. Nobody knows how it disappeared, what happened. If you look at our authentic timelines, not the timelines that the West has given, there are timelines have been published in globalsecurity.org, which is a website controlled by the Department of Defense of USA. हम अपना बोलेंगे तो हमारे इंडियंस और हिंदुस्तानी मानेंगे नहीं. वो सफ़ेद चमड़ी वाला डाला है तो वो सारे एक्सेप्ट करेंगे. उसमें योर टाइमलाइंस आर टोटली डिफरेंट. जिसको ये गुप्ता पीरियड बोलते हैं 300 AD, इट इज 300 BC. अशोक एंड ऑल आर 1800, 1500. बुद्धा इज 1800 BC. अशोक इज 1500 BC. जो ये अशोक के बारे में बात करते हैं चक्रवर्ती, दैट इज ऑफ समुद्रगुप्त, who is also known as Ashok Chakravarti,
Right.
which is 300 odd BC. ठीक है. Now उसमें when you see the major kingdoms, empires, you find a gap in most of central and whole of western India, Bharat. Now, if there is a void in kingship, the powers across, like I told you, महाभारत के टाइम के लोग तो ऊपर सब हैं, वो तो आ जाते हैं अंदर कॉन्कर करने के लिए, एक्सपैंड करने के लिए. क्यों नहीं आए कोई? What was it that they hesitated to come here? So Mohenjo-daro में 3 archaeologists and historians, one Italian, one English lord था, and a Russian. They were able to access Mohenjo-daro in late 70s, early 80s, and they have published a book each. The British and the Italian, they have published one book, and the Russian has published one. They said that in the center, the way the book, the bricks have been glazed, and जिस तरह से है, and the Richter meter पे जो radiation मिला है, is similar to the nuclear radiation in Nagasaki, Hiroshima.
Okay.
And the glazing is exactly like Nagasaki, Hiroshima, but it is directional.
Okay.
एक डायरेक्शन में, दूसरी डायरेक्शन में नहीं था. That means the people of yore had the capability to control such weapons in a particular direction.
Right.
But something happened. And I think because of that, the fallout and everything, that area became no-go, so nobody came there. It is almost about, towards the first big empire that you find is the Gupta Empire of 300 odd BC. उसके पहले कोई नहीं. That means it took that many years for the radiation levels and fallout to go before these empires came. Otherwise, rest are towards the west, east, the eastern portion of central India, and all towards the south. उधर कुछ नहीं, खाली. ये आपकी संस्कृति थी, ये आपका इतिहास था, आप भूल गए. महाभारत युद्ध some of the or our own extreme leftist historians have written it off as some tribal war. Sorry. Empires and all your kings and your Rajgurus got wiped out. People mistake the Rajguru with the Rajpurohit. Rajpurohit है जो official functions करता है, religious function. Rajguru was the one who taught them how to rule.
Kingmaker.
Not exactly a kingmaker. He would train the kings and he would tell how to rule, what is right, what is wrong.
Chanakya.
Yeah, Rajguru. All that finished. So from Sanskrit, you came away to Prakrit, Pali, Devanagari, and you totally lost touch with your own scriptures. So when you get Sanskrit back in, you will find that you can't copy what was given there. That may have been given at a particular period, at a particular time, based on particular societal norms. You can't replicate that here. That is the whole problem with the fundamentalist Islam. They are wanting to replicate a 7th, 8th century philosophy in the 21st century. Doesn't work. It can't work. So here also, when you understand, you got to modify it to present societal norms. Things have changed. जब रामायण पढ़ते हो, महाभारत पढ़ते हो, सोसाइटी के बारे में देखो, रामायण का सोसाइटी वॉज टोटली डिफरेंट, महाभारत का सोसाइटी वॉज टोटली डिफरेंट. आज जो महाभारत में किया था वो एक्सेप्टेबल ही नहीं होगा
जी.
जैसे इफ अ किंग कुडंट प्रोड्यूस नियोग वाज एक्सेप्टेबल. आप कर सकते हो तो आग लगा देंगे. राइट. सो सोसाइटल नॉर्म्स चेंज. Lord Ram had only one wife. Janak also had only one wife. Dashrath had 3, but he had only one. महाभारत के टाइम में तो कितने थे सबके? मल्टीपल. सो लॉर्ड राम के टाइम में स्वयंवर था. हियर दिस महाभारत के टाइम में स्वयंवर became a charade for political mileage. Societal norms change. So that's why I say when you read that, you got to understand and apply.
Right.
Like your best, I would say what EAM also says, the best diplomats that we have had in our itihas, Hanuman, Lord Krishna.
Yeah.
तो समझो ना उनको भी कैसे किया था, क्या था, कैसे था, उसका अब इस जमाने में किस तरह से अप्लाई हो सकता है. यू कांट रेप्लिकेट. You have to modify it to present times.
Right.
You will do better.
So let me ask you this. भारत एक ancient civilization, China एक ancient civilization. Is this
China claims to be ancient.
claims to, right? But then क्या ये दो civilizations का war है?
बचा क्या है सिविलाइजेशन का? कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ने तो सारा फाड़ के फेंक के कचरे के डिब्बे में डाल दिया. कौन से सिविलाइजेशन की बात कर रहा है वो?